Friends, running kimono. It is Wednesday, July the 17th, and we are talking about some midweek deals. We have Walgreens, we have Dollar General, we have Walmart. Lots of great deals in this video. If you could please give this video a thumbs up or hype, I would be so grateful. It really helps me out. So the first store that we're at is everybody's favorite Walgreens. And first thing this morning, I got these two pieces of magic. A 15 back when you spend 45 on dental care by P&G, and a 9 back when you spend 40. Go and check at the top of your digital coupons folder and load them and come right back to the video. Because those are pretty great. First deal I'm going to talk about, and I am so excited by this one. It is the $3.99 puffs. Currently, this 4 count is $6.99 this week. After that 3 off of 1, it's $3.99. You can use $4 in Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. For this 4 count, it's like $1 per box of puffs, which is an unheard of price point. So I would definitely stock up this week, especially with back to school in 2 months. I know that is a little bit of ways, but one item the classes are always looking donations for, or your kids might need it for back to school. And for $1 a box, these are the larger boxes. I think this is definitely an item to stock up on. Another new deal that we have is on the Pantene shampoo. So we're going to be grabbing 3 of the smaller ones right at 12 o'clock. You're going to see them tagged at your store. Part of this promotion. So 3 of them is $16.22. We currently have a $4 off of 1. It's not attaching if you look at the coupons, but if you throw it into a basket, it is attaching in the app. But you're doing this in store. Plus we have a 3 off of 2. That's $7 in digitals right there. After subtracting that, you're going to pay $9.22. Get back a $5 register reward for buying shampoo. And if your Fetch Rewards has a progressive spend 50 to earn back 7,000, Pantene is part of it for mine. Photograph it to Fetch. But what a great deal. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, but it makes it really inexpensive for these 3 bottles of Pantene. Deal I absolutely love this week is the 50-cent Colgate. So you're looking for the ones priced at $4. And we're going to be loading this friend, which is the 4 off of 2. So grabbing 2 tubes of toothpaste, it's $8. Subtracting this coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per tube. No booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn your register reward. But if you look at the spread of all the different toothpastes out there, Colgate every single week at Walgreens keeps presenting us with these really cheap deals on toothpaste. So I would definitely do this one because why not? For a lot of you that are doing the World Cup deal in store for the body wash or the deodorant, a lot of you are reporting that the 10 off of 2 is not coming off. Perhaps doing it curbside is the way to go. I know that can be frustrating. If the coupon does not come off, you have the option to call customer service and they will send you the money. They'll account it to your account. It's called a missed coupon. And so I know that can be super uber frustrating, but I would definitely stock up on this, especially with a 10 off 2 coupon. It's like a really high value one. And I believe that promotion is going right till the end of the month for these World Cup Dove products. Have a great deal of food, coffee, various products in the store that are reduced down in cost. So you might want to look through the app, or if you're in the store doing deals, don't be shy to walk down those food aisles and see what they might have. Maybe open up IBOTTA in case there might be a rebate to go with. Definitely stock up on the cheap food. The next store that we're at is Dollar General. Their clearance event continues right through Thursday, June the 18th. So you have today, which is Wednesday, and all day Thursday to do these deals. Now, if you have a 70% off store, you're going to get this stuff a lot cheaper. If you have a 50% off store, we're going to look at the price points and you decide if these deals are worth doing, yes or no. So at this one store, this was a 70 store, so that's why my cart is so heavy. But we're going to look at the prices at 50% off. So the first is this 14 counter of the Gain Flings for $2.03. I think at a 70 store, it's like $1.21. Like it's really cheap. For these Downy, all the beads are $3.73 at a 70 store, I think it's like $2.21. And then just to show you what I was finding, we have the toasted vanilla and the spring peony, and I will show you the UPCs here in a second. And here are the UPCs, guys. So I'm just going to let these roll. So you still have all of today and all of tomorrow. And don't be shy to look high in those sky shelves in the laundry detergent section. A lot of these products were not pulled for the clearance event. All of them started showing up on Sunday, the 14th. So this was a really great find. Two different bags of the 14 counters of the Gain Ultra with Oxy and just the regular flings. So yeah, these are the 14 counters, which you don't really see anymore. I think they reduced it down to 12 or something. But here's one of the UPCs for this. No coupon, but for $2, I still think it's a great price point. One from the last clearance event, this Purex Tahitian Breeze. I found one on a sky shelf. We have a $2 digital, making it $1.75. So I definitely will hang on to this one for my mother-in-law because she always likes these really big jugs of detergent, especially Purex. So I have that for her. And here's the coupon, guys, of a one-time use for this digital coupon. This will be a harder one to find, the Purex Tahitian, because it was in the last clearance event, and we had a similar coupon. Now we have this $4 for the Airwick, and with this one, we have this pack, which is the, I think it's called Vibrant, and we have one with these white wood and mahogany, and another one that's like ocean. Both of these found in the regular air care aisles. White, sage, and mahogany. Apologies about that. It's a little 3-counter. It makes it completely free because it's $3.75, and after that $4 coupon, you're just paying tax. And the other one it's attaching to is this blue packaged one, just to show you eyes on it. It is called Deep Blue Sea and Beechwood. Interesting. And this one free after that $4 coupon, one per store card. And here are the UPCs. I apologize that it's so curved, but I'm pretty sure you can just find these items if you just look them up through the coupon in the app. Another product that I saw was we have a really great dollar coupon to go with this. It's the Act mouthwash. And we have a $1 digital. So this product is $1.57, part of the clearance event. After the coupon, it's 57 cents. Like, fantastic. And here is the UPC for this friend. So I found it in the regular aisle at this one store as well. So I was really happy about that. Another fabulous product might be really hard to find for, I think it's also $1.48 or $1.57. It's the grapefruit Clorox wipes. So with the $1 coupon, it's $1.47. I think on Friday when the event started for $2.47, these got cleared out at most stores. It's just people really wanted for $2.47 to stock up. I only found one of these, but I'm still happy. It's that car clip by Febreze, the Old Spice one, and it made it a complete free item at a 50% off store. So be on the lookout for that if that's something that you like, but harder to find, of course, because it's been in a couple clearance events. The final store that we have is Walmart, and yesterday, which was Tuesday, the 16th, lots of baby items started getting reduced down in cost up to 75% off. The Johnson & Johnson Sensitive Care Face and Body Cream. So, if you have a little one that's in need of this stuff, there's lots of body washes, baby wipes, diapers, even stuff like baby gates, like larger items too. So really walk down that baby aisle and see what they might have and what is tagged. And this is the Johnson & Johnson Sensitive Baby Shampoo. So for $1.50 as well. So I would definitely root around that aisle if you need this baby stuff and pick some stuff up. Why not? That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.